2019 Ford F-150. A Ford F-150 knows how to handle any situation. It's built to follow orders, no whining. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, power passenger seat, dual airbags, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, center armrest, heated front seat, electronic stability control, fog lights, power windows, rear window defroster, security system, trip computer, compass, brake assist, tachometer, panic alarm, overhead console, remote keyless entry. Come see the car for yourself.